Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to show you how can you migrate your WordPress website into a live server. Okay, so this is going to be so amazing. You guys already know about the web hosting. Okay, so if you want to learn about web hosting, then make sure to go and check out my first video where I showed you how to sign up and get a web hosting and then how to work with it. Okay, so basically I have also given a coupon code there that you can enter there in the hostgator.com and you can get 60% off, guys. So make sure to go ahead and watch that video, and then you will learn how to basically get a web hosting and then migrate your WordPress website. So you basically need this. Basically, this XAMPP works on your local computer. You cannot make it live. If you want to make it live, you need a lot of big servers with big speed, internet speed, and so much, and that will cost you a lot. But you can just do it for just 3.95 per month, guys. This is so cheap. Seriously, this is so cheap, and you can just get like 60% off, and it is more cheaper, guys. So make sure to just go ahead and just get this hosting. It says 5.95. You can get 60% off, and it will be exactly same amount. Okay, so after you have got the web hosting and after you are totally done with everything, you just have to go to the portal. And now here, what you have to do, you have to just hit login. So here you have to enter your credentials, guys. Okay, and here you can see that it says loading our customer portal, and we will be taken to the customer portal page where we have to just go to the cPanel and then work. So here would be your domain name, your main domain name that you have here. So so let's suppose that you will be having your domain name here. You just have to go ahead and you have to hit launch cPanel, and on clicking this you will be taken to the cPanel page where you have to just enter your details, or your cPanel will be loaded here. Okay, so let's see. Here, guys, in the domains tab, you will see your domain name that you have registered with HostGator. Okay, so let's suppose that I have registered the domain name that is, let's wait till this is done. Okay, you can see that I am here in the cPanel, and this is how my cPanel looks. So this is my domain name, createawp.site. Okay, and this is here, it says NS, and this is aligned to my hosting package. Okay, everything is here. If I just go to name servers, then you can see it says automatically assign, and this is set to my hosting package. So I'm just gonna go to you can see that here you will see your root domain name. Okay, so I am basically installing the WordPress on an add-on domain name. So you guys must know what an add-on domain is. Add-on domain is like the extra domain names that you can add. So basically my domain name root folder is this add-on domain /createawp.site. Okay, so what I have to do, I basically have to go to the files right here. Okay, and then I have to see this one. This says file manager. I just have to open this up. And now here you can see here would be my every details. What you have to do, you have to just go to the public_HTML file. Okay, and here would be all your files. Here would be nothing basically. Okay, but I have to go into the add-on domain file, which is this, and here let's suppose that this is my website. Okay, this is how your public_HTML folder will look like. So this is your domain root folder, basically, in other words you can say. Okay, so if you do not know about the add-on domains, then go above and make sure to just go and watch the video. Go and also watch the video of the hosting, that how we set up the hosting website, because this is so important, guys. And once you understand everything, then you guys are gonna learn how to migrate basically a WordPress website. So you can see this is where nothing is coming. So this will be like my public_HTML folder will be. I have to basically grab the files of all the WordPress from the htdocs. Okay, these are the files. What I have to do, I have to just select all the file. I have to come here, and now here I have to just hit add to archive. Okay, so I'm just clicking this. You can see this is right here. What I have to do, I have to just hit zip, and I have to open this up. Hit OK. So you can see this is archiving all the files. So once everything is archived, it's going to be like wp.zip. So now what we have to do is that we have to upload all the files here. Okay, we have to wait for some time. Let's just wait, and we have after we have uploaded, we have to extract it then, and then you will see that all the files would be updated. So you can see everything is right here. I'm just gonna come here, and this is my file. I have to come here and I have to upload it. And now here you can see it says maximum file size allowed. So this is 500 MB. I just have to select the file, and now here I have to go to the C file. Okay, let's just drop the file. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna just drag it, and let's just drop it here. So here you can see it's being uploaded. So once this is uploaded, I'll show you how can you just extract it on your local server. Okay, so you can see this is completed. I'm just gonna hit go back. So it is now taking me back to this, and this is how my website is looking. If I just open up my website, which is create a wp.site. So create wp .site is basically my domain name. Okay, if I just open this up, you can see here it says wp.zip. So this is basically the Apache server running inside port and everything. This is exactly same as this is the local host. So but this is applied to as a domain name. Okay, and this is online. I can access it anywhere, any computer with the access of the internet. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit extract. And on just clicking extract, I just click extract files. So you can see these are extracted. Okay. What I have to do, I have to just delete this wp.zip. Okay. And let's just hit skip and trash, and I'm going to hit confirm. So you can see these are the files that are here. And once I click it, it's just going to give me an error that says error to establish a database connection. You can see this is giving an error. And thanks a lot, guys. Basically, congratulations, guys, because you have made through the part of copying. You can see that WordPress is totally up and running, and now we have to just work with the database, and we will be doing with the database in the next video, guys. So stay tuned, guys, for that, and make sure to pay attention to that section because that section is so much important. Okay, so in the next video we'll be working up with that. Goodbye.